Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to do a follow-up on the extremely tragic incident that took place in Trial Heights, St. Catherine. What, you thought I was just going to move on? You thought I was just going to move on to the next hot topic? Give people a break? Right? Make people forget what happened? Because you see, too often when these stories come out, we just hear say, 3 people dead, 4 people dead, 6-year-old dead, and then we move on. People don't humanize the victims enough. That's exactly what I'm going to do today. I'm going to let you hear some voice recordings, not just from residents who were in the area, but the father himself. I don't have to tell you already, right? I predicted it in the first video, and I'm sure most people realize what going on. This was a case of if you can't catch Quaco, you catch him short. That should have been obvious. Where a 6-year-old or 81-year-old can't do nobody nothing. If you didn't come back, come to them like that. So I'm going to let you hear the residents them first. And I'm going to give you my commentary in between because you need to hear the details. You need to hear just how brutal and demonic some of these youths in Jamaica really are. You need to hear it for yourself. Because when me say it, I one thing. But when the people who live it, that's a complete different thing. Listen up. This clip is from RGR, by the way. Full credit to RGR.
We just hear gunshot. That's all we hear when we hear one vehicle speed out of the place and bus shut down the road. And then when the road come over here, we see the first little baby right there. So yeah, see I run, she did a run, and them drop her.
Hold on this one. Hold on this so we now look past that. The man named run down a little girl. A little girl. See chaos. I take place. And I try run. And 87s run down a little girl. I wonder if people realize that them just here a while ago. Because you see, initially, it sounded like them just sketch all 3 of the victims in one place right side of each other, right? And then them take the people them life and go on them business. Them run down a little girl. Don't worry, the father will come tell you which part of the rounds them go. The father will come tell you which part them shoot the little bit in them. Just make that soak in on the head. People of Jamaica, yard and abroad. Just want to understand the kind of people the nation is dealing with. Man them run down, catch and shut up a 6-year-old girl. Listen to the rest.
We run with her. Our father run with her. Go down the road. We don't know which car bring her.
When you know that?
Them tell me yard every day. I pick me here when I cool. I just come my ear since week. Since week I come my ear. Since week I come my ear.
I live up there, you know. I'm going to eat my dinner, come down and the van a reverse out. And start fire upon the road and run out of the yard and drop and chip up. I see him face.
About how many persons you think you see in the van?
When we look down there, I see 2 in the van. We burn by fires and kill all one dog down there.
The man then kill all one what? Kill all one dog. So when we say 87s, kill man, woman, pitney, and dog, you see where I come from? You hear what the man say? The man them not only kill a 81-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 10-year-old, but a dog in the process. Listen to the rest of this.
Totally distraught to see the father, a father who is a mother and a father. He said that he is the one who solely have responsibility for those 2 girls. And when I saw him on that bed morning, believe me, it takes everything out of my belly as a woman. I personally believe the time has come now that talking need to stop.
Talking should have stopped a long time. Talking should have stopped when the man named drop off Charmaine watching her daughter and fling it away. Talking should have stopped. For the man and go over Chadiga Park. Or rain down chaos. Talking should have stopped. When the man them turn Moby in a ghost town. Talking. The man is essentially a single father. When him, because don't worry, him a go talk. Right. Now the recordings of what he's saying as well, he was speaking to Nationwide. But that lady said something interesting. Time for talking stop. Talking should have stopped a long time. In 2020, Jamaica has been topping the murder charts every single year for the last 20 years. I'm still at talk now. I want the people in my Jamaica, yard and abroad, to know that somewhere in Jamaica, the brutes who carried out that act, they went right home, take off them bloody clothes, hand it to them kerosene, and she wash it, and the two of them lie down on the bed and sleep comfortably, draw some big snore. Just another day in the life of a 87. Listen to the father now. Let me tell you something. We usually hear mothers wailing when mothers are talking about what reached them. But this time we have a father. You can go on Nationwide to check out the full clips. Right? I only pick out the part that are relevant to what went down. There are a few parts of the interview where he was basically inaudible. Right? The man is devastated. To be expected. Listen up. And listen carefully. Jamaica need to hear this. People need to see and hear the real face of badness. Because I notice in Jamaica people want to pick and choose the type of badness where them love. Oh, them man are a real bad man because them shoot woman. Me like the real bad man them. Wait, what did only kill man? Oh, see, so Jamaica is so sick that even when Jamaicans try to sound like they're against violence, them sound like a big idiot. Yo, burn out the money cause I know like one time the man them used to only shot man. Oh well, that's better. That's better. Well done. Let's go. Yes. This is how ridiculous Jamaicans sound. Them the like gunman who shoot, for example, woman. But we got the man them a shot man. We got the man them a kill man. We got the man them a kill Carlton. Yeah. That's how stupid Jamaicans sound. Even when them try sound like they have values, even when them try sound like they have morals and any kind of ethics, them still end up sound like a big idiot. Yeah man, we got the man them only shoot males from 18 to 35. Them man are a real bad man. Yeah, we got the man them only shoot the woman them between the ages of 19 and 26. Yeah man, them man are a real bad man. But the woman them are 81, no, we don't support that. Right, we support the old time bad man and the man they only shoot certain people. Right, yeah, big up them man, the real man. Yeah, we don't support Shatter who rob Eagles and vendor. We don't rate them Shatter there. But the Shatter who rob the, people have a quote unquote good job and probably work them on a good company. Yeah man, big up them man there. Go and rob them people there. Sometimes I wonder if Jamaica as a society needs national therapy. Because the society, the culture cannot be seen, cannot be righted. Listen up and listen up carefully. And as me say, if you want to hear the full interview with the father, you can check it out on nationwidenews.com.
I whole heap of shot fire inside here, man. I see my mother, my daughter get shot in her head back. My mother get shot in her face. My little daughter get shot. I see one hole in her neck right here, so I don't know if in her neck she get the shot or because I hold her down her face, down here some blood up. So I don't know which part she get the shot.
Hold on there. No, we're not past that. We're not fly past that. We're going to make the people in Jamaica hear that again. Because more on the hear which part the man them fire the rounds them. More want to visualize so-called men having grandma on her knees, right? And then run down a 6-year-old and hear where them put the rounds them, right? Want to understand that this was no mistake, this was no stray round. Listen it again.
A whole heap of shot fire inside here, man. I see my mother, my daughter get shot in her head, back. My mother get shot in her face. My little daughter get shot. I see one hole in her neck right here, so I don't know if in her neck she get the shot or because I hold her down her face, down here some blood up. So I don't know which part she get the shot.
When the Barbarians them in a clans, they take off Charmaine Ratchet head and her daughter Crystal. DPP Paula Llewellyn made a statement describing the gruesome act. She described it as murder most foul. In case you're wondering where that come from, it was a song. That song was originally talking about the assassination of John F. Kennedy. Murder most foul. You know Paula Llewellyn and Fear Bossy style already. Well, that's how I would describe this act. Murder most foul. Still can't wrap my head around it. But make the father explain some more as to what went down.
Them go in the room, you know, where my sister there, you know. But them make a wrong move for them to come out back. So my little niece now lock back the door and jump through the window. The two of them jump through the window. So I saw them say them for them life spare.
Mr. McFarlane, you're grieving, sir. Fully understand. Right? I'm not going to be one of these people who major in the mind and try pick pan way or something like that. Right? But seeing that I'm providing commentary for this, let me just say this to the people who are listening. Them waste Monday, they make the right move. It wasn't the wrong move. You see those children, right? The niece we talk about. Quick thinking, save the day. Brilliant little girl. Brilliant child. In that moment, she made a split-second decision. And it was the difference between us reporting that 3 people lose their life when it could have easily been 6. Because we might talk about what she locked the door and then jumped through the window. It was she, her sister, and the mother. 3 of them get to right there so. Brilliant, quick thinking by that little girl. It was the right move. The brutes them going at the people them house and don't know the setup, don't know how it lay out, right? End up spin around, start turn fool, and the little girl just lock them out. Wow. Imagine, in Jamaica, children have to be the heroes. Children are having to make decisions that if them get it right, lives are spared, and if them get it wrong, 87 come in upon them and them sister and them mother. And would have done the same thing to them, what them do to the 10-year-old, right, Christine, and the 6-year-old, Michelle, and them 81-year-old granny, Iselin. Wow, listen to the rest.
I asked them why 2 little children and a old lady, why? Why you really get out of the killing? Why you never run me down then and kill me? Why them never run me down then and kill me?
Before I even heard the interview on Nationwide, I knew that line was coming. That is what I consider a typical man line. That is what a father would think. Better me than them. Because as we know, one of the main roles of a father is to be a protector. And when a father sees pity them, lose them life in a situation like that, and him couldn't stop it, the next thing is to think to yourself, a better me. Why them never kill me? Because now that man will have to live with the loss on his mind for the rest of his life. Every single morning him wake up, it will be the first thing him think of, and every night before him go in bed are the last thing. That man is mentally destroyed. I hope the community rally around him, I hope the community support him. Right, sound like the people him, right? Everybody's been saying nothing but good thing about the fact that how he's been raising his children, raising his daughters. Right. Single father. I do him thing. Murder most foul. couldn't describe it better myself. This is Jamaica. Not no Irie, man. No problem, man. The Jamaica where the man them carry this out, they better believe them go up on some corner. And other man big them up. Yo dog, me yes, you mash up the little pit in them, yo, you're a real killer, you know, yo. Yeah man, you're a mad thing, dog. Boost them up. Murder most foul. I don't know. I hear the security minister saying them are going to hunt down youth, them do this. I hear the Jamaican people are say, yes, police for us wet them up, police nothing ask no question, police for us shot them, but let me tell you something about the same Jamaican do say that. If police actually go mash them up, if CTAG actually go lay them out on the asphalt, give them the boys the treatment, give them our JDF special ops go give them the precce boy treatment, the same Jamaican I go ball. Why them have to do him so? Why them couldn't bring him in? Oh no, more police killings. If police even are bring them in and broke one nail upon them hand, and the 87 go in front of the camera and start ball, same nail broke. Watch the comment section, watch the kerosene them heart to pour out. More than you see it pour out for them picnic. Because me I look for so one, I look for the usual commenters them who under the big page them when time the video them drop in a GP. I will see them in the comment section are lost. Right? The way them went up for murderers, place all a flood out, road a broke way. I look for them, I see them. And I feel them time yet. This is not nothing for do them. They're not interested in things like this. I look for your favorite celeb too. I look for your favorite MP. Place kinda silent still. Place very silent. But you don't score woke points for talking about things like this. You don't score fake righteous points for mourning, defending, and bawling for the people of Jamaica. For just be able to lift them yard and come on back without worrying. See them might get a round on them head just because somebody have a problem with them cousin or them brother or them uncle or them auntie. Even if you not go murder off the man and do man them. When you can't let it in them. Right. Since we already see the Jamaicans love the, yeah man, real bad man kill them people here, but don't kill them people here. Make we use phone reasoning for a second now. Mr. Badman. Right. Mr. Waste man, because that's what you really are. Right. Waste man. Right. But in a Jamaica, bad man is a compliment. In Jamaica, when I wrote the title, Savages Kill 6 and 10-year-old, Simon and messaged me, we are calling them them savages. Should I call them worse than that? First of all, that's a compliment for these savages, these brutes. You think when you call them savages, you hurt them call themselves savage, them call themselves killy, them call themselves dopey maker, them call themselves demon. Any name you can give them, you them take it as a compliment. And if you're a black waste man off my page, of all the things them take from the video yesterday, whole thing them notice, you call them savages. And where you call a man, they put a 81-year-old on her knee and mash up her face. Waste man. Where you call grown men who run down 6-year-old and wet her up. Waste man. You're someone lower than even the cockroach. Because at least the cockroach is not expected to have no kind of values. The cockroach is not expected to have no kind of compassion. That's what we expect from humans. Man a come tell me, yo, we no rate you. That's good. Jamaica is so acidic. When certain people in Jamaican society say them not rate me and them not rate the PIA, that's good as a compliment. Because the day someone wanna rate me, or the day me know me I do something wrong. That is a litmus test. That's the litmus test. Me, alright, let me see how much ratings I get from them people. When I get none, good. I'm on the right path. On the right path. PIA, we're on the right journey. The people them wanna rate me. People them wanna say, people them are against the movement. People them wanna stand. For we are different over here, so. When them say them not rate you, know, take it as a compliment. You don't want them people a rating. It's like how we don't want a raper ball rating. We don't want a man to feel like pitney rating. We don't want a man to feel say we think it's normal and accepted. If he even run joke about going to house go kill pitney and baby on breast. We don't want your rating, dog. Stay over there, so. Pick a side and stay over there. Murder, most foul. Patron squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.